Attention. Hey, you guys, I'm going to give you an example 9 through 11, okay? If you're working on 9 through 11, okay? This is an example, okay? So you've got the rocket after t seconds, and you got to fill out the table so you can answer everything. So what you do is a rocket goes in a quadratic equation. So you go, there's 52 minus 0. So that means 0 plus 52 equals 52. And then 96 minus 52 equals 44. And then 132 minus 96 equals 36. Okay, and then you continue, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, but we've done all that we can do as far as this first column is concerned, because we don't have any more data. So we need to get these values over here, 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 etc. But what we're now going to do is we're going to make the second column. Okay, so how do we do that? We get the second number in the second column, the 44, and we subtract this number here, 50, the first number, and that equals -8. And we put that there. Why? Because 52 minus -8 equals 44. Then we get this next number, 36 minus 44. That also equals -8, okay? And then the second column is always going to be the same, all right? So we're going to be -8, -8, -8. Okay, so now that we have that, now we can use these numbers to get this number here, right? How? Because we go 36 minus 8 equals what? 28, right? So that's plus 28. And then minus 8 is plus 20, etc. And we can fill in these. So this is going to be 12, 4, minus 12, minus 20. Okay, so now we got these numbers. Why do we need these numbers? Because now we can get these numbers. How? 132 plus 28 is 150 or 160. Okay, plus 20 is 180. Plus 12, 192. Plus 4, 196. Minus 4, 192. This is 196. Minus 12, 180. Okay. So why do we need that? Because the first question is, when in seconds is the maximum height? Well, the maximum height is the biggest number here, height, right? What's the biggest number? 196. When? At 7 seconds, okay? That's how we use our table, okay? What's the maximum height? Like I said, it's already the one over here, so 196. What is the time in seconds when it will reach the ground, okay? So that means it's going to keep going this way, and then eventually it's going to come down and reach the ground. Well, it's going to reach the ground at twice the maximum. It's going to be this number here. So over there, it's at 7. So this number here is when it reaches the ground, right? So the maximum is there. When does it reach the ground? Well, 7, whatever this number is, times 2 is 14. Okay, so that's how these kind of problems work.